Whatever you do, just stay true and show passion. When you talk, be precise.
I took a flight for the paddock. You should be all so dramatic. I can't. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Anyways, guys, I'm so excited, and if you guys did not read the title or seen the thumbnail, then why are you guys watching this? You guys obviously you had to have a reason why you wanted to touch on this one. Anyways, if you guys did not know and didn't see the thumbnail and didn't see the title, I'm going to be baking a brookie, which is a brownie and a cookie combined, like that. So it's like if a cookie and a brownie had a baby and it's a brookie. Well, let me go get my ingredient. Let me go get the box first so that I can see what I need for my ingredients. So let's go. Wouldn't it be the best if I knew how to make it from scratch? Well, I don't. Brownie box. We are using the Duncan Hines salted caramel brownie kit. Brownie kit, but it's a brookie, guys. It shows a brookie, okay? It really does, or I might be wrong. Because look, there's a brownie and a cookie in them. Oh, it's just salted caramel. And it's broken up caramel, I think. Well, that's okay. We're still gonna do this. Now we're gonna see the ingredients we need. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'll get that in a minute. Ingredients. Let's just go on to the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 tablespoons of water. Then 5 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of water. So the first one I read was for the crust. The second one was for the brownie. But I don't know if I want the crust. But this thing also includes brownie mix, frosting, crust mix, and candy and pretzels. So I can make this very divine if I wanted to. But I don't like caramel. We're going to open this, okay, guys? Since I have the ingredients, we're just going to open. So here's the crust. But I just want to make the brownies. So we're going to throw that out. Now this is what I want to make. Just the brownie. But there's also frosting, but it's caramel frosting. We'll probably just put this on a little bit of brownies. And then pretzels and candies, which are supposed to be knockoff of M&M's. Don't need. Let's get the ingredients. Okay, guys, so this is the only butter that we have. So I'm just gonna scrape it and then just in a bowl. And it needs 5 tablespoons. So let me actually go get a tablespoon though, so I could see how much a tablespoon would be. I don't have any measuring cups, so we're just gonna eyeball. I don't really have much left. Sorry guys. I don't really have much left of butter either, so I'm gonna just put the whole thing. Because we made pancakes yesterday because we went to Universal. Sorry, headphone users. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm thinking that should be enough. What do you guys think? I think that's perfect. We're going to put this in the microwave because it says melted butter. We're going to put this in the microwave and then we will be back. I'm so lucky we need 2 large eggs and these are the last eggs that we have. Am I not the best cook ever here? I think I might be. Now we need 2 tablespoons of water. Okay guys, let's get to making this brownie. I thought it was a brookie, but it's not, so my bad on that end. But let's go ahead and make this brookie. Did you guys know that when you guys make something, you gotta make sure you preheat the oven? So let's preheat the oven to... does not say. Oh, right here. Says preheat the oven to 350. So let's go do that really quick before we start. Okay, guys. Now that we did that, we're gonna go ahead and open our brownie mixture. I'm like mentally not prepared, so I don't even have scissors near me. So we're just going to just obviously cut it like this. I'm just gonna pour it in there now. Oh, this is gonna be a lot. I was only gonna make half, but all of it fell in there. I think I'm gonna still make half though, because I don't want a lot to be made, and my bowl is pretty much tiny, so I'm gonna get some out really quick. Okay, guys, so I did put some away, and I did half it. So now, I'm gonna add the melted butter. Then after you add your melted butter, we're gonna add the 2 large eggs. Ouch. I really don't know how to cook, guys, so don't come for me. Baking might be my specialty though. Yeah, baking will be my specialty. I got a shell in there, guys. Baking might be my specialty though. So I'm gonna mix this first before anything, because this stuff is like going too much on here. Okay, so it says add 2 tablespoons of water, but I'm pretty sure this might be 2 tablespoons. I don't know, guys, but baking might be my specialty though. I'll know by then. There. Now we're just going to mix. We'll find out later if it's a lot or not. Mixing it right here, guys. I wish I had another camera to be able to get you guys another angle, but I do not, so. You guys are going to have to deal with this angle, I'm sorry. No, I was supposed to say butter to butter the pan. Dogs are gonna be barking at that you guys are gonna hear this whole entire video. Brownies are supposed to be like this, right? I don't know. But I'm just done. That's all you guys are gonna hear. I literally told you guys that's all you guys are gonna hear. If I was wrong, would I be wrong? No. But that's literally what you guys are gonna hear this whole entire video. I like to clean up my mess while I bake. That might just honestly be me. Like, can you guys let me know if you guys do the same thing too? Okay guys, so I've been mixing for a minute now. Pretty sure should be good. I think brownies are more liquidy than cake, so that's what we're gonna get there with that one. But I honestly think that it's fine. It's pretty much fine, guys. So I think we're good on that. please. I'm recording here. I'm doing vlogmas, so can you stop? Please stop. I'm recording here. They get everybody in the whole entire world can hear you. Thank you. Anyways, guys. So I've been doing it for a minute now. I'm pretty sure it's fine. What is that? It's not fine. Baking might be my specialty. Baking might be my specialty. Baking might be my specialty. It just needs somebody that can actually mix and have strength in their hands. Okay guys, so I have my pan. I'm going to use one of these little napkins right here that I have. We're gonna grab some butter. Ew, there's hair in here. Grab some butter and just butter this pan right here. Ah! I got it all over my finger! That's so gross. You guys, I can't wait to go to Disney. I know every video I sponsor my Disney trip, but I'm honestly super excited. I'm going Christmas shopping out there too, guys. Okay. That should be good. Now, we're gonna pour my watery freaking brownie mixture. Just one. Okay guys, it's gonna go in the oven now, and I have to do a 32 to 36 minutes. And then I get a toothpick and do all that with a toothpick. You guys know the gist. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, then I'll get back to you guys. I don't know what it's at. I just put it, so I gotta look for it. So I guess we're gonna be here waiting for it while it's done. My little brother gets home at like 2:50. No, I'm just kidding. He gets home at 2:05. Oh, no, it's not ready yet, but I'll get back to you guys when it's ready though. Okay guys, so the timer is about to go off. I'm just a genius. So the timer went off, as you guys can tell. Now we're gonna grab my little brownie kit. So you guys won't see me grab it. Oh my, juice bottles. Okay, it looks like it's growing people on it. We have to, I forgot that we have to put like a stick in there or something, but I'm gonna put this little thing that we got from Universal in there to see if it's cooked all the way.
We hit a breaking point. Well, we can get ahead of it. See how that takes space to pause.
That looks very sickening right there. Okay, guys, ready? I'm going to grab it. Thing looks fire. So I'm gonna put it on our little cooling rack that we have here. And y'all, I cannot wait to try it. Shut up already, bro. Shut up. Just, oven does not know how to be quiet. Okay, I don't know if I should try it now. Let's try it. Let's give it a try. I'm going to use a fork. I think I should use a fork, huh? Okay. What is this shit? It's like super hot. It's steaming, guys. Oh, it smells low-key fire though. Okay, we're gonna try like a little. Oh my God. Where'd it go? I didn't try a piece, but okay, here we go, guys. Do you guys see that means that shit's pretty fire. Okay, we're gonna cut a piece off of here because I think it looks too dang good for that. Okay, we're gonna try it. Oh no, bro. Okay. Is this gonna be gross if I throw this back in my mouth? Even though I had it in my mouth? That's alright. I don't know what the fuck happened, bro. I think it like went down the wrong pipe. I don't know if I made it wrong. That's a negative 10 out of 10, bro. I don't know if I made that shit wrong. Don't get me fucking wrong. Like, I've made brownies before that have been a hit. This shit ain't it, bro. I don't even fucking know. Let's put that shit back. I don't even know, bro. Like, it's, like, not good at all. I don't know. I give that shit, like, a negative out of 10. Like, a negative 10, bro. That shit is not good. That no, that thing is not good. Like, it's, I think it might be the brand. The brand is what it is. Yeah, the brand is what it is. And maybe it was meant to have like the crumble underneath and all that, but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlogmas. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and peace out. See you guys in the next video.